Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on saving TikTok draft videos to your phone's gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap on the Drafts tab on the left here. Tap on the draft you would like to save to your camera gallery. You can't save a draft without posting it to TikTok first, but don't worry, you can post it privately so that no one but you will be able to see it. To do this, you need to tap on Who can watch this video at the top of the options, and then select Only Me. Switch the toggle off to the right of Allow Comments. Tap More Options from the bottom of the list. Make sure the Save to Device toggle is switched on. When the toggle is on, it will be green. Double check that it says Private after Who can watch this video, and then post the video like normal. If you tap on the Profile button in the bottom right corner to go back to your profile, you can see your private video by tapping on the padlock icon. You can see here that the video is private. Now if you go and open your phone's photo gallery, your video will be saved there. If it's not there, then you can go back to TikTok, open the video and tap on the three dots button from the right sidebar. Then tap Save Video. Your video will now be saved to your gallery. You now want to delete the private video. Open up TikTok and open the video again. Tap on the three dots button from the right sidebar. Slide the menu bar from right to left and then tap on Delete. Then tap Delete on the pop-up. Your video will now be deleted on TikTok, but still saved in your phone's gallery. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.